Have you ever felt like time is slipping through your fingers? Like every day, you plan to do something, but when the moment comes, you just don't. You scroll on your phone, binge watch another video, or tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, and the cycle repeats. That, my friend, is laziness. Not just a habit, but a thief stealing your dreams, your potential, and your future. I used to live like that. I remember staring at my goals, imagining myself achieving them, feeling inspired for a few minutes, only to end up lying on my bed hours later, exhausted for no reason, and frustrated with myself. The guilt piled up, and so did the disappointment. I knew what I wanted: success, progress, growth, but I couldn't seem to act. And then I realized something crucial. Laziness isn't just about being tired or unmotivated. It's about giving your mind and body permission to settle for comfort, to avoid discomfort, and to postpone greatness. The first step to overcoming laziness is awareness. Most people think laziness is a character flaw. It's not. It's a signal, a warning from your brain that you're choosing immediate comfort over long-term fulfillment. But here's the truth. You have the power to rewire that signal. Your mind can be trained, your habits can be reshaped, and your life can be transformed. I'll share with you the method that changed my life. It's simple, but it's not easy, because overcoming laziness is not about motivation. It's about discipline, structure, and understanding the real reason you're avoiding action. The moment you grasp this, everything changes. Step 1. Identify your triggers. Laziness never appears out of nowhere. There's always a trigger, a task that feels overwhelming, a fear of failure, or even the comfort of your bed or phone. Take a notebook and write down every moment you felt lazy this week. Be honest. Was it cleaning your room, studying, exercising? Once you identify the triggers, you can confront them head on. Step 2. Break tasks into tiny steps. Your brain resists large, ambiguous tasks because they feel impossible. But if you break them down into the smallest, simplest actions, resistance disappears. Want to write a book? Don't think about finishing a chapter. Just write one sentence. Want to start working out? Don't aim for an hour. Just put on your shoes and stretch for 5 minutes. The key is to start. Once you start, momentum builds. Step 3. Use time strategically. Laziness often thrives in unstructured time. If your day has no schedule, your mind will default to comfort. Plan your day in blocks. Allocate specific time for work, rest, exercise, and focus. The trick is to treat your time like money. Once you spend it on distraction, you can't get it back. Step 4. Change your environment. Your surroundings dictate your energy. A messy room, a cluttered desk, or a phone within arm's reach invites laziness. Clear your space, eliminate distractions, and create an environment that pushes you toward action. When your environment demands effort, your mind follows. Step 5. Train your mind like a muscle. Laziness is mental. You need to strengthen your willpower like a muscle. Gradually, consistently. Start with micro challenges. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Do one extra push-up. Finish a small task before scrolling your phone. Every small victory strengthens your ability to resist laziness. Step 6. Embrace discomfort. Growth happens outside comfort zones. Laziness thrives on comfort. To overcome it, you must welcome discomfort. Exercise when tired, study when distracted, work on your goals when you'd rather rest. Each time you choose action over ease, You rewire your brain and grow stronger. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Your mind craves recognition. Laziness is partly fueled by the lack of immediate rewards. So, celebrate progress, even if it's tiny. Finish a task. Give yourself a small reward. Did 5 minutes of exercise? Recognize that effort. These small acknowledgments build momentum and positive reinforcement. Step 8. Visualize the future version of yourself. Imagine the person you want to become. See them, feel them, and step into that mindset today. Laziness fades when your vision of the future is stronger than your desire for temporary comfort. Ask yourself every morning, which version of me am I serving today? The person I am or the person I want to be? Step 9. Use accountability. Tell someone about your goals, your friend, family, or mentor. Humans are wired to respond to social pressure. When someone else knows what you should do, your brain fights harder against laziness because you don't want to let anyone down, not even yourself. Step 10. Start now, not tomorrow. Laziness loves promises of later, but later rarely comes. The power of action exists only in the present. One small step today outweighs 10 plans tomorrow. Action breaks inertia. Momentum builds. Your life starts changing the moment you act. I won't lie to you. Overcoming laziness is hard. Your brain will resist, your body will complain, and your mind will beg for excuses. But every time you push through, you become stronger, more disciplined, and more unstoppable. The feeling after completing a task you didn't want to do? Unmatched. That sense of accomplishment is addictive, and it's proof that you can conquer yourself. So, here's my challenge to you. Take one thing you've been avoiding, just one. Break it into the smallest step possible. Take that step right now. It doesn't matter if it's small, slow, or awkward. The point is to start, because starting is the only antidote to laziness. And don't stop there. Make it a habit. Track your progress. Celebrate your victories each day. Push a little harder. Do a little more. And watch as laziness shrinks and the discipline grows. Remember, your life is not shaped by motivation or talent alone. It's shaped by the actions you take when no one is watching. Comment below with one thing you will do today to fight laziness. Share your step, hold yourself accountable, and watch the ripple effect it creates. Because every great achievement begins with a single action, and every unstoppable life begins with a choice. Take control. Start now. Overcome laziness and take the life you deserve.